Welcome to the new era of Deadlock. So the empty win. I've banged on about for ages, couldn't find anything to replace it, really, and I decided to just sort of let it go and get a project bike. You know, cheap old machine, needed some work, etc, etc. I looked at a few things. I looked at number of Street Fighters, I looked at Bobber, I looked at all manner of things. But in my search, I stumbled across this, the GSX 600S, from the wonderful year of 2000. It was an old machine. It was at a cracking price. I thought I'll take a punt on that. Pretty bulletproof bike. The guy said it had some starting issues, which, well, we'll wait and see how much of an issue that becomes. But anyway, this is my first proper ride out on it, apart from taking it home the other night. I'm going to hook up with my mate, head to Bruce North, have a cup of tea, head back, and hopefully it'll all go without incident. But so far, the bike looks good. Cracking. It's you know, it's been resprayed. Not finished off very well on that front, but not too bad. You know, there's bits and bobs, but you know what, it's an 18-year-old bike. It's cost me very, very little money, and so far it's running absolutely cracking. I hope I haven't jinxed it there. It's fun. It's got 80 horsepower. I haven't had a bike with less than 100 horsepower. Well, since the first, well, the last bike I bought like that was the first bike I bought after I passed the test. Since then, all my bikes have had 100 horsepower or more. But it's not all about horsepower. This goes quick enough. It's by no means scary, stupid, silly, blary, you know, nothing like that. But it, you know, I'm not struggling to crack on a bit. I get quite a lot of wind buffeting off it. There's just a small little screen on a big unit on a little screen. Maybe I ought to look at a double bubble screen, but we'll see. The brakes are starting to liven up a bit now. They weren't great. I was a little bit worried about that, but they just need a bit of use. The guy who had it before me lived about a mile from his work, so sometimes he used to use it to go to work, so the bike wouldn't even get warm. I'm sure that's half of the issues. And he really wasn't using it very much. He figured he's going to get himself a little 125 because that'll be perfect for popping to work on. It revs very differently to the 3-cylinder CC of the, well, 3-cylinder engine of the MT. It's totally different altogether, totally different beast. But I'm quite enjoying it so far. I'm hoping this ride proves to be quite an enjoyable little bimble. So anyway, there we go, guys. That's it. Enjoy the rest of the bits of ride.
There is only one thing on our minds. Try running away, 'cause you're the one we will find.